The food service industry is heating up. It's now the largest retail employment sector in the world, and restaurants are hiring more and more each year. There's never been a better time to turn a passion for food and hospitality into a professional culinary career, which is why Certiport is offering Culinary Foundations with a World Association of Master Chefs certification, a certification that equips learners with the skills to succeed in a variety of entry-level food service positions. Candidates will learn about proper food storage, setup and cleanup procedures, how to navigate kitchen environments, and different cooking methods and terminology. They'll also understand the ins and outs of food safety, such as cook times and temperature control, food segregation, and sanitation practices, so they can maintain a safe and efficient kitchen. Once certified, candidates will be qualified to work in a professional kitchen as a short order cook, prep cook, or any other entry-level position, and fire up their career in the fast-paced food service industry. The appetite for culinary careers is growing. Start preparing learners today with Certiport.